Hi, my name is Sherry DeSchaff. I'm a physical therapist here in San Diego. In my last newsletter, I talked about wrist pain, hand pain, associated both with tendonitis and arthritis, and wanted to give you a few stretches and exercises to help if you're suffering with that sort of pain. So we're going to talk about how to stretch the forearm muscles, the wrist extensors and the wrist flexors, and how to strengthen isometrically some of the muscles in the wrist and hand. So the first stretch I want to show you is going to be a wrist flexor stretch. Against the wall, you're going to put your hand facing up, palm flat, and you want to be sure you're extending those fingers as far out as you can. So really spreading them apart to get a nice stretch between the fingers and open up that hand, particularly if your thumb is starting to want to contract like this. You want to get a nice open space there. Bend that wrist as far as you can, straighten the elbow, and you should feel a nice stretch along the forearm. You're going to hold that for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then you're going to flip and you're going to put the back of the hand against the wall, and again press the wrist up against the wall, spreading those fingers as wide as you can. Hold that for about 20 to 30 seconds. So that's a couple of stretches for you. Strengthening in terms of isometrics for the wrist flexors. You're going to hold your wrist in a nice neutral position and use the other hand to apply a little bit of gentle pressure, just as much as you can. When you feel some resistance but no pain, hold for a few seconds, and then you're going to reverse and do the opposing muscles by pushing up for a few seconds, back to the flexors, and then the extensors. Lastly, you can do a little bit of self-massage, particularly for hand and wrist pain. There's a trigger point right at the base of the thumb there in that big pad of muscle. So to do some self-massage in that area can very often help with hand and wrist pain as well. So hopefully those help. If you have more questions or you're still suffering from hand and wrist pain, feel free to give me a call and come in and see me at my office. I hope you have a great day.